look at this newspaper cutting. This is a very new newspaper cutting which is on the GST refund. So the Customs Department has highlighted that in order to get a very quick GST refund, so we have to ensure the forms are correctly been filed. Documents must be error-free to get a quick GST refund. From the statistics and the research done, about 60% of the GST submission got errors. That's why it will delay the process of the GST refund. How about some of the mistake also? Mistake cause refund delay. The company is making too many errors, say the custom. It could be from the genuine errors, or they have made the error without knowing the point. Let's move on to the GST audit findings. There are many GST audit findings highlighted by the customs. These are the common GST mistakes that we realized during the GST audit. The first one will be the transitional period. So this transitional period is not referring to the before the GST era and after the GST era. This is referring to the before your company has registered the GST and after your company has registered the GST. This is very important for us to know about the time of supply. What is the time of supply? Before the GST implementation, so we need to know, say the cut-off point, the commencement date of your GST, according to the custom letter, as 1st of December 2016, your company is liable to charge on the GST on any taxable supply. Meaning to say, any goods delivered before 1st December 2016, before that is not subject to GST. And we shouldn't charge any GST after tax. How about the services? Services, we are referring to the services rented, the completion of the services rented. Say about services, normally we go for the milestone basis, say from 10, 20, 80, and 100%. So for the services, normally we will look into the spending period. It could be spent from the October up to next year January. October, November, December, January, 4-month period. And your GST will start from 1st December 2016. So any services that you perform before 1st December 2016, then you no need to charge on the GST. After that, then GST is charged. Then some of the taxpayer, they will ask, hey Cindy, how should I know? Based on what kind of the supporting documents? How many percent? How to prove to the Customs Department? So normally for the services like the aircon installer, the software engineer, they will have one of the service performance completion checklist. So upon the completion of the services, they will let the customer to sign and agree on it. Meaning to say they have performed their services. So this is how is the supporting documents for the services. Then how about for the supply of the goods? Normally we refer to the delivery order. Okay, let's move on to the after GST implementation. So this is very straightforward. After your company is GST registered, so we need to account for the GST on the supply made. Here we are referring to the taxable supply made, or the earlier of the payment received, or the invoice issued. So here these are the three main bases that we need to refer to. The first one is the supply made, meaning to say, have you delivered the goods to your customer? Or the second